Hi and welcome to another presentation highlighting rich internet technologies and Oracle's eBusiness Suite integration. In previous presentation we just had a quick look at the difference between the existing HTML-based system and the new rich internet system, Self-Appraisals RIA. What I'm going to show just now is simple functionality that can be introduced through the new interface, and also have a look at some of the integration that's on offer as well. This integration technology has really been provided by the OmniEffect Shaper product, and OmniEffect Shaper's purpose in life, it's an application development framework to make integration with application systems like Oracle eBusiness Suite easier using the Macromedia Flex product. So what we're going to do is log into the eBusiness, or log into, it is the eBusiness Suite system, but we're actually going to go through the self-appraisal system itself. We'll notice that we've got our own login screen. I can log in as my standard user as I did before. I'm presented with the list of responsibilities. Again, everything has got tooltips on and intuitive information to give me a good idea about what's going on and what's happening next. It's now giving me all of the data. It's presenting me with the same screen that I saw before, same security, and it shows me the user down here. I'm logged in as Sarju. It's actually showing me that I'm Sarju Sar. My attached employee is Jack Fish. I tried to explain that in previous presentation, that it's actually detached from the user login itself. It shows me my responsibility, which is that kind of security that I was explaining in the previous episode of this RIA thing, and the time zone that I'm operating in my particular language that I'm operating with. So there's some good integration there with the eBusiness Suite system that I'm pulling that information out. Again, I'm showing all of the appraisals, so Jack Fish in a production sense would never see all of these appraisals. He would just see his selected appraisals. I'm not sure how many he's got. I think we had 4 from last time that we're looking. So I just have to go through and find him as an appraiser. Sure he's in here somewhere. Now I'm just going to demonstrate some new functionality that I've brought in with this system, particularly the print and preview and the email features. So I'm going to demonstrate print preview. So a particular user has generated an appraisal and they want to see it, so they can select preview, and this is going to bring in place preview. I see here it's Linda Swanson and Jack Fisher, not Mr. Jack Fish. Jack Fisher is her appraiser, so we can scroll down through here and have a look at her appraisal itself. She's got basic objectives and basic reviewers, but he's closed this appraisal itself. A neat feature here is that there's integration with the desktop through the interface, so I can select on print and it's brought up the default printing device from Windows, and I can print that particular appraisal itself. Or I can select print here and go through to the Oracle eBusiness Suite print system itself. In this case I've got no print, so I don't want people creating 210 print jobs going to my printer here in OmniEffect headquarters, but definitely you can do it. I've added another option where you can print to the attachment system as well, so we'll have a look at the F&D lobs in a minute. You see we've got prompts over these again. I'll just select cancel out from here, and we'll go and now check out another feature that I've added around the same vein. I'll just choose another one. It's got to be another one, another good. Who's got some good comments? There we go. Someone's got good comments. I'll just quickly preview that particular report. Yep, there we go. It says Palmer, Blair. Looks good. I'm just going to email that to myself because I'm interested in that particular report. I can actually bring up the users involved with this system. I can search by particular users. We can search for say the Fish series of people. So I don't know, there's Frick, Fernandez, Bosters. So I can select by address and just add them on as you would normal email system. I can append CC type people to them, so on and so forth. But today I'm just going to email that to myself. So I'm just going to select that. You notice that since I've cleared out the email, it's got validation occurring on it, so I can just select my OmniEffect email .com, say in the subject, so hi. And now for the attachment I've got a choice. Amazingly enough, I've got PDF, Flash paper, which is new, Microsoft Excel, HTML and XML. So if I want to regenerate the report itself, I can do. I can have my old classic HTML format, bit of Excel if I want to cut and mash around with the data. Or I've got Flash paper if I want this output format that I saw before reproduced again. Or I can go to PDF. I like PDF, so I'll go with PDF. Hi, this is the appraisal you were talking about. Smiley face from regards, Michael. And I'm going to press send. At this point I can send or cancel. Just watch that little icon on the top there. It's sending, so it's now sent. I see down here on my email that I've got new mail. It's unopened, so I'll see who that from. Oh, wow. I see there's one from my brother. I see there's an appraisal. There's I hope this appraisal you're talking about. I can now double click on good old-fashioned PDF and view the PDF as I need it. So I see that there's the PDF I was looking at before, and I can use it again. So there's a very good integration story to tell. Again, this interface allows it. I hadn't had to update or refresh anything. The only data that's going back and forth is between these grids and everything else. And away I go. So that's it for now on this little presentation series. So I'll hopefully catch up with you again in the next one. Thanks for listening.